Roper St. Francis Healthcare's House Calls TV.
When the non-surgical treatment options for shoulder arthritis stop working, it's time to consider shoulder replacement. Dr. James Price highlights the cutting-edge surgical options offered here at Roper St. Francis Healthcare.
Guided personalized surgery. It's a technique using scans of the shoulder to define the anatomy of the shoulder blade.
Roper St. Francis Healthcare is the first in the state to offer this type of GPS-guided shoulder replacement surgery.
Then we use motion capture technology that we place on the patient and on our instruments to help us find the exact appropriate angle into which to put these components.
Using a 3D scan of the patient's shoulder, doctors can plan and perform a virtual surgery before the actual procedure.
We know that inaccurately placed shoulder components wear out a lot more rapidly. It really has changed the way we do surgery, and I don't think there's any question these components are going to last a lot longer than they ever have before.
For more information, call 843-402-CARE, and for more House Calls TV, visit us online at rsfh.com. I'm Angela May.
Roper St. Francis Healthcare's House Calls TV.